I'm going to take my liquid lipstick in the shade Naked. And this is just a true nude, teddy velvet, smooth, creamy. And as you can see, it already matches the true tone of my lips. And again, it could be used as a full lipstick. If you just want to add a gloss on top of it. And if you just want to use a lip liner and just add a gloss, you could do that. But just to make it like a liquid matte lipstick look, we're going to take the liquid lipstick in Naked, making sure we fill all the lines of our lips. And this a beautiful everyday nude, ready for a job interview, you know, going out with the girls or the boys, you know. It's just a fresh, fun, nude, velvety lipstick, and this is in the shade Naked. Like, look at that. Like, this is gonna be my go-to lipstick. Not even going to lie about it. Like, it just makes you feel so confident and like just so beautiful and sexy when you wear these lipsticks. Like, and it's like full coverage, non-transferable, great liquid lipsticks.